This is a brand new 2012 Ford Escape. It has a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, a low tire pressure indicator, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, four-wheel independent suspension, front fog lights, dusk-sensing headlights, an anti-lock braking system, side curtain airbags, and roof rails. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Family Ford of Enfield is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your new vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 65 Hazard Avenue in Enfield.